the point B. Right, we have done in shortest path. Next, in shortest time also we have calculated time taken in shortest time, that is width of the river by VBR, and also horizontal drift which is making by the boat, because boat is moving perpendicular to flow of the river. Right, in shortest time boat is moving exactly related to the river, perpendicular to the flow of the river. Because of the river push only, it is making horizontal displacement. हॉरिजॉन्टल डिस्प्लेसमेंट क्यों हो रहा है बोले तो रिवर के पुश के हिसाब से. रिवर इज पुशिंग द बोट, बोट इज मूविंग relatively in this direction, river is pushing that boat in this direction, so that it is making horizontal drift over there. We got VR into T is d by VBR in shortest time. That is what is that drift what we got in shortest time, two expressions. Next, upstream and downstream concept also we have seen. Right, upstream means boat, relative velocity of boat with respect to river is along with the river. Downstream means downstream means along with the river. If it is flowing, boat is moving along with the river. Relative velocity of boat with respect to river is along the direction of river. Upstream means in opposite direction. That point, 2 points, you note that point. The time taken in upstream and downstream, time taken in downstream and time taken in upstream. River flow in this direction I have taken. Okay, good morning all of you once again. Thank you. So you understood this riverboat concept, and rain umbrella case also we have seen. So only one equation we have used in relative velocity as velocity of A with respect to B is velocity of A with respect to B is velocity of A with respect to B is velocity of A minus velocity of B only we have used. In that, velocity of boat with respect to river we got velocity of boat with respect to ground minus velocity of river with respect to ground. R means river here. R means river. Okay, and B means boat here. This is the same case in the case of swimmer and river problem. Right, velocity of swimmer with respect to river. Right. Here, velocity of rain with respect to man, that is velocity of rain with respect to ground minus velocity of man with respect to ground. Here, R is rain ma. Here, R is rain and M means man. Rain with respect to man. So these points, relative velocity concept only, basing on these three equations, we have done all the cases of relative velocity concept. Riverboat concept basing on this equation. Rain umbrella case basing on this equation only, right? And we got how much angle it should be tilted when man is running in this direction horizontally. River is falling vertically. River is appearing to be falling means always relative velocity of river. Rain is appearing to be falling means relative velocity of rain with respect to man is given. Appearing always relative velocity only. Okay, these equations I have completed yesterday. Okay, ma, I will see. Chat box was closed. No, I have kept empty. Just write on this vector representation. Relative velocity concept basing on these equations only we have, ma. Relative velocity concept basing on this vector relation only. Vector relation only we have all the problems. Okay, we'll see some problems today. After I'll start today. That is, we'll see some problems of rain umbrella case, right, in our material. 1 or 2 problems. After that, I will start circular motion ma. Horizontal circular motion only it is there. Vertical circular motion is not there here. Only uniform circular motion is there for you. This week you are having motion straight line and motion in plane, complete 2 chapters. Okay. So relative velocity concept we have completed. So rain man concept I will do some problems today as far as material is concerned. So here I am bringing the material here. In material, we will do some problems in rain man concept. Rain man concept, please. Okay. I will write these equations. Already you wrote these equations. Please write down this vector representation of relative velocity concept, either in riverboat concept, either in rain umbrella concept, either in upstream and downstream concept, either in relative velocity of A with respect to B. Just relative velocity of A with respect to B means just difference of these two vectorial difference of these two you should do. Okay. And rubbing this one, ma. This one I'm rubbing. Okay, okay, please copy. These are the basic formulas, vector representation of relative velocity concept formulas, ma. Basing on these formulas only we have all the problems. Okay. Is it clear? G is not acceleration due to gravity, ma. G means ground. G means ground. Ground. G means ground. With respect to ground frame. G means ground frame. These are absolute velocity. G means absolute velocities. Absolute velocities. Absolute, because ground frame will take it as rest, ma. Ground frame will take it as rest frame. That's why absolute velocity we call it as. Okay. Is it clear? Is it clear, ma? Please copy these formulas. Can you rub this one? Can you rub these equations? We'll do problems based on these equations. R means rain, ma. R means, in this equation, R means rain. In this equation, R means river. Or W also you can represent water. And rubbing this equation, ma. These equations I'm rubbing. We'll do problems based on upstream and downstream and rain umbrella case. Can I rub, ma? R means river. In this equation, R is rain. In this equation, R is river. Okay? Is it clear? Yes, ma. Yesterday I wrote. And rubbing this equation, can I rub this one? Can I rub these equations? Yes. Vector representation, vector diagram, I told yesterday. You must be careful in vector diagram, ma. I will explain in problems also, please. See, rain man concept problems, we'll see. Magnitude of velocity also we have seen. Right. See this problem, huh? Yes. Page number 170. Page number 170. A bit. Fourth question. Page number 170. Fourth, fifth problem I have solved. Fourth and fifth problem. Sixth problem, please do it. Or I will do for fourth, fifth, sixth problem, Sama. Fourth and fifth and sixth problem we'll do now. Rain umbrella case. Rain umbrella cases which are there. I will solve it. Page number 170. Page number 170, fourth one. Fourth problem in your new book. Material, I am reading it. A man is going towards east. A man is going towards east with a velocity of 5 meters per second. Please write down, ma. Those who are not having book, please write down. Okay. Okay, ma, please write down. Fourth question. A man is going towards east or due east. Towards east. Man is going towards east with a velocity of with the velocity of 5 meters per second. 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 Are you writing, ma? All of you? Write on board. Okay. I will write on board here. A man is going towards or due east with a velocity of 5 meters per second. It is vertically raining downwards with a velocity. Please write down. I am writing question mark, complete question on board. Please purchase book ma material. You must purchase so that time saving. You can save time ma. Okay, now I am writing here. A man is going due towards east with a velocity of 5 meters per second. It is vertically raining downwards with a velocity of 4 meters per second. 4 meters per second. At what angle should he hold the umbrella to the vertical so as to protect himself. Answer is B. Very good. Who has solved ma? 0049. Okay. I will check it ma. To the vertical so as already you have solved these problems. Yes. Please tell me, Amma. Already you have solved these problems. 677. Okay. Those are not solved. Those are solved. Very good, ma. Very good. I'm appreciating them. Those who have understood the concept yesterday's concept, what you have done, you have solved means it's good. Those who have not solved also, no need to worry. I'll solve on board, ma. Himself from rain. From the rain. So, man is going towards east with a velocity 5 meters per second. It is vertically raining downwards with a velocity of 4 meters per second. Right? 4 meters per second. Rain is falling vertically. Understand the vector relation just now what I told. At what angle should he hold the umbrella to the vertical so as to protect himself from the rain? I think question is clear, all of you. Question is clear. Question is clear, ma. Very good. Not 49. You have solved the problem. 677 also solved the problem. Very good. Vector concept. I will do this problem by vector concept, ma. Can I rub this one? Please copy the problem. Those who are not having book, please copy it, ma. So given things are, I'm writing here, velocity of velocity of man. Velocity of man with speed ground is given. It is 5 meters per second towards east. East I am taking as I vector. Why? Because generally East is in this direction, west is in this direction, north is in this direction, and south is in this direction. East means I vector, north means J vector. Okay, and so this towards you means K vector, inward means minus K vector. This west means minus I vector, south means minus J vector. So unit vectors along respect to directions I wrote on the board ma. Anything doubt here? If you are having, please ask me now. Is it clear? Tan inverse of 5 by 4 is the answer. I will check answer is correct or not. Okay. So velocity of rain with respect to ground is given ma. Velocity of rain with respect to ground is given. How much? Downward. 4 J vector minus. Why minus here? Because downward. Downward means along south direction. I have taken with respect to that one. Okay. Now vectorially I will do I will rub the question. I will rub this complete question here, please. Okay, I will write. I wrote the given things on the board. We need to calculate what is the angle through which the umbrella should be caught by the man to have a safe journey without any rainfall on him. In order to protect himself from rainfall, how much angle he should catch the umbrella? He is asking. Say, vector diagram you should understand. So first of all, he is asking velocity of rain with respect to man is what ma? Velocity of rain with respect to ground minus velocity of man with respect to ground. Is it clear? Just now I wrote velocity of rain with respect to man. If you are drawing the vector diagram properly for this equation, then that angle through which the velocity of rain with respect to man is falling here, that angle in opposite direction to that angle, to the direction of VRM, you should catch this umbrella. So here I am drawing the vector diagram, rain. So velocity of rain with respect to ground minus velocity of man with respect to ground. So velocity of rain is downward. Velocity of rain with respect to ground is downward. Right? And velocity of man minus velocity of man. Actual velocity is in this direction. East direction. So minus Vm will be in this direction. Understand it. So resultant of these two. So here VRM should be there. VRM direction must be here. So man should catch umbrella in order to have a safe journey here. So here if I am drawing the man, right, man should catch the umbrella in this way. This is the angle through which man should catch the umbrella. So if I am drawing complete in right angle triangle here, this part VM is 5, this will be 5 and this will be 4. Please understand it, please. So from this right angle triangle, tan theta is equal to VM by VRG, that is 5 by 4. Tan inverse. So theta is equal to tan inverse 5 by 4 is angle through which he should catch the umbrella. Here, this is the way you should understand vector diagram. It is easy way to solve the IIT problem by drawing vector diagram. Vector diagram is not clear, please raise your hand, ma. Vector diagram is not clear, please raise your hand. One J. Where is 1J? There is no 1J here. This is minus 4J. Okay? Minus 5 should come. See, magnitude point of view I am taking here. I am taking magnitude point of view. Magnitude of BMG is 5. That's why I have taken 5 here. Is it clear? And here also I have taken magnitude 4. So tan theta from this right angle triangle OAB, tan theta will be, he should catch this umbrella like this if he is running in this direction. Okay, is it clear? So VRM, what is magnitude of VRM? VRM magnitude will be under root of VRG square plus VMG square, that equal to under root of 25, 4 square 16 plus 25, answer should be root 41. So what is the answer for this one? Yes, right, tan inverse 5 by 4 in clockwise direction. See here, clockwise direction from here, it should be like this. It is anti-clockwise or clockwise. So here 5 by 4 tan inverse 5 by 4 anti-clockwise or clockwise? Please tell me. With respect to horizontal. With respect to horizontal, man, rain with respect to man is saying na. So where rain with respect to man will be in this direction. So tan inverse of 5 by 4 clockwise direction is correct, ma. Clockwise, I think answer should be 2. B option is correct, ma. Fourth one, B option, second option is correct. Is perfect, ma. Is it clear? Is it clear, ma? VMG in this equation is, VMG means velocity of man with respect to ground. Velocity of man with respect to ground is in this direction. So it should be man with respect to ground, So relative velocity of rain with respect to man is in this direction. So this should be clockwise. So answer should be tan inverse 5 by 3 clockwise. Please copy this diagram, ma. Anything doubt in this diagram, please ask me now. You understood? 677. Have you solved this one like this only? No? 00065. What is the problem? You have not understood? 00065. You understood, ma? Not understood. What happened? See here, he is asking what is the angle through which the umbrella should be caught. Umbrella direction must be opposite direction to VRM always. VRM का जो direction आया आपको, umbrella का direction exactly opposite direction to VRM रहता. Right? Just write on this point. Direction of the umbrella or direction of umbrella must be in opposite direction to VRM. Opposite direction to VRM. Is it clear now? 00065, is it clear, ma? Is it clear, ma? Please tell me. 00065. Please respond, ma. Okay. I'll explain once again. See here, velocity of rain with respect to man, this vector equation is clear. This vector equation is clear. VRM. This VRM is VR minus VM. Minus VM का direction जो है man east की तरफ move कर रहा है. Minus VM will be in this direction. So in order to draw the diagram, vector diagram, I am writing this equation, ma. Okay, VR will be in this direction. I am not changing VR direction, it is downward. VM का direction minus VM है ना, इसलिए मैं change कर दिया, exactly opposite direction. Minus VM जो है opposite direction में attach कर दिया मैं ये tail end को. बाद में इसका resultant VRM ये direction होगा downward. So umbrella जो है exactly opposite direction में VRM होगा at an angle theta. This is clockwise direction from R to M. R to M. VRM direction is from R to M. It's clockwise. See here, it is clockwise. Is it clear? Is this clear now? 00065 is clear, ma? I am not rubbing, ma. I will not rub. Please, college is opening and all. Please don't ask me that question, ma. Please. As soonly announcement आपको आ जाएगा आपको ऑफलाइन होने के बाद और अच्छे तरीके से समझ में आ जाएगा आपको. ठीक है? No need to worry regarding offline and online. I am not rubbing, ma. Please copy it. Fourth problem is clear na? Just only one equation. ये equation समझ में आ गया तो problem पूरा समझ में आता. ये equation समझ में आ गया तो problem पूरा समझ में आ जाएगा आपको. अम्ब्रेला का डायरेक्शन जो है एग्जैक्टली ऑपोजिट डायरेक्शन टू बीआरएम, बीआरएम के ऑपोजिट डायरेक्शन में अम्ब्रेला कैच करना पड़ेगा. दैट पॉइंट आई रोट हियर इन स्टार मार्क. इज इट क्लियर? ये स्टार मार्क 3 स्टार रख के और यू कैन राइट दिस पॉइंट हियर आफ्टर राइटिंग 3 स्टार्स. इट्स वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट. नेक्स्ट प्रॉब्लम करें तो आपको और पूरा समझ में आ जाएगा. इट्स क्लियर ना? कैन आई हैव दिस वन? Okay, I'm not rubbing. VRM is velocity of rain with respect to man ma. Yesterday I told VRM बोले तो velocity of rain with respect to man. Yesterday I told this one ma. I have completed this explanation also. Is it clear? Is this clear? Please copy it. Fifth problem we'll see. Triple 065 is the clear mark. Charna student. 238 is it clear? 00065 is it clear? 677 is it clear ma? That's why I am saying, I have repeatedly said magnitude I have taken ma. I have taken magnitude. -5 I have not taken here. -4 I have not taken here. Magnitude I have taken here. Magnitude I have taken here. Tan inverse of 5/3 opposite by adjacent. From this right angle triangle OAB. OAB. Is it clear? Fourth problem is clear. Understand the concept. Right? Then only you can understand the problem here. Vector diagram is clear now. Okay, I'm doing fifth problem. I'm doing this fifth problem. I'm rubbing this one ma. I'll gain more time, please. And rubbing this one. Can you rub this one ma? Board is clear ma. Actually, sir has adjusted and gone just now. Right? Board is clear, please. Fifth problem I'm writing on board. Please copy it. Raindrops are falling downward vertically. Raindrops are falling downwards vertically at 4 kilometers per hour. At 4 kilometers per hour. For a person moving forward at 3 kilometers per hour feels the rain falling at feels. You should understand the word feels here. You should understand the word feels. Feels or appearing or relative. is meaning is same. Feels or appearing or relative, meaning is same. Velocity of rain with speed to man is asking ma. Is asking velocity of rain with speed to man only. Magnitude is asking. I will do vectorially. After that, magnitude I can calculate ma. Is it clear? So one answer, one student got fourth option, 25 kilometers per hour he got. We'll check it, answer is correct or not. And also angle here, and also angle made with the vertical is given as. Okay, please copy this question. Okay, ma, I will draw big size. First to copy this question. I hope you are following, all of you. Beautiful concept now. Vector diagram, it's very, very important. Vector diagram समझ में आ गया तो प्रॉब्लम पूरा समझ में आता. Can I rub this one? Can I rub ma? Can I rub this question? All of you, have you copied ma? Those who are not having book, please copy it properly. Fifth question, क्या कह रहा है? Raindrops are falling downward vertically. So velocity of rain with speed to ground दिया गया आपको. Vertically fall कर रहा है. Man is moving in this direction horizontally, forward direction बोले तो horizontally बोल के लिख सकते हैं. और inclined plane के ऊपर चल रहा है बोले तो वो देगा. Inclined plane, it's different ma. He is moving on a horizontal road only, should take 3 kilometers per hour. He is asking to calculate the velocity of rain with respect to man. How he feels the rain to fall, he is asking. And rubbing the question. So velocity of rain with respect to man पूछ रहा है directly, similar to previous problem only. Vector diagram आपको समझ में आना चाहिए, vector equation आपको समझ में आना चाहिए, और magnitude भी पूछ रहा है. Say here, velocity of man with respect to ground दिया गया आपको. Velocity of man with respect to ground, he has given 3 kilometers per hour in horizontal direction. Right? Velocity of rain with respect to ground in downward direction 4 kilometers per hour दिया गया. Okay, I vector I am taking, j vector I am taking, negative j. Fine, negative j only. Okay, downward direction. Now listen, velocity of rain with respect to man equation क्या है आपको बोलिए? Velocity of rain with respect to ground minus velocity of man with respect to ground. That's it, over. See here, velocity of rain with respect to man downward fall कर रहा है. Diagram, understand it. This is velocity of rain with respect to ground, downward. Man is moving in this direction. Minus m will be exactly in opposite direction. This is minus bmg. Is it clear? Is it clear? Is it clear? Magnitude point of view, these are given. Is it clear now? BRG is in downward direction. BMG minus BMG will be exactly in opposite direction. So VRM will be in this direction. Velocity of rain with speed of man will be in this direction at an angle theta. That too, this one. If I am constructing right angle triangle here. Okay, this value is what ma? BRM, BMG is 3, 4. So tan theta angle, if he is asking, it is 3/4 clockwise. And magnitude VRM, magnitude is what ma? Under root of VRG square plus VMG square. These two are perpendicular. Directly I am applying parallelogram vector. Theta is 90 between them. Angle between VRM and VMG is 90. Cos 90 part is 0. Parallelogram law vector से ना resultant वो formula use कर रहा हूँ मैं. Root of p square plus q square plus 2bq cos theta. That part becomes 0. So VRM magnitude is equal to under root of 3 square plus 4 square. That is the answer. That is 25 kilometers per hour is the answer. Very good, ma. Fourth option is correct. Angle is also, if is asking. Why, ma? Sorry? Route 25. Route 25 is what, ma? 5 kilometers per hour. Yes. C option is correct, ma. Very good. Sorry. Route 70, route 25. Route 25 is what, ma? Route 25 is what? 5. Your answer is correct, ma. Route 25 you have not kept. Okay. No need. Please draw the diagram. Solve the equation, ma. This way only you should solve this rain umbrella cases. Okay. It's clear. Anything difficult you are facing here? Sixth problem also it is interesting. I'll solve it. First you copy it, ma. Fifth one. Please copy it. Vector diagram is clear, all of you. This diagram आपको समझ में आ रहा है ना? Velocity of rain with fluid ground change नहीं कर रहा हूँ direction को. Minus Vm. Vm का direction ऐसा था. Minus Vm का direction ऐसा होगा. Okay? So opposite direction draw करके vector triangle समझ में आपको. And it is clockwise direction only. It is clockwise direction only. Is it clear? Is this clear, ma? Why? Minus we have not taken, no? I have not taken minus v anyway. Just magnitude point I have taken. Minus Vm. Why minus Vm means? ये vector representation formula है. इसमें VRG I am not changing the direction. Minus VMG कह रहा है ना? Relative velocity of rain with speed of man will be VR minus Vm. That's why minus Vm I am taking this direction. Is it clear? Vector diagram you should understand, ma. Simple thing. It's clear now? I am not rubbing, ma, please. No need to. Just after copying only I will rub. All of you must understand. Minus Vm माइनस Vm है इसलिए ये फॉर्मूला में डायरेक्शन ऑफ मैन को ऑपोजिट डायरेक्शन ले रहा हूं in order to complete the diagram, in order to get the resultant direction. अम्ब्रेला को ऐसा पकड़ना चाहिए ऊपर. See, I represented downward vectorially ना. Vectorial downward represent कर रहा हूँ और minus n लेने का जरूरत नहीं. I have drawn the vector VRG is downward. Minus n लेने का जरूरत नहीं है इसको. Vm minus n I have taken because I have drawn opposite direction. Okay. This Vm I have taken minus n. Why? Because it is I have drawn the vector diagram in opposite direction to velocity of man. Why? Because minus Vm I should draw. Okay, resultant direction will be like this and umbrella should be in this direction. This is the direction of umbrella. Direction of umbrella. Umbrella का direction जो है exactly opposite होना चाहिए. Now it's clear. क्लॉकवाइज डायरेक्शन कैसा बोले तो रिलेटिव वेलोसिटी ऑफ रेन विद रिस्पेक्ट टू मैन है ना, तो रेन से मैन की तरफ एंगल ये रिजल्टेंट का डायरेक्शन है. रेन से मैन की तरफ रिजल्टेंट का डायरेक्शन है, इसलिए क्लॉकवाइज बोल सकते हैं. इज क्लियर? व्हाई इट इज क्लॉकवाइज इज क्लियर? व्हाई इट इज क्लॉकवाइज इज क्लियर मा? Magnitude of velocity is nothing but speed. Right answer is 5 kilometers per hour is correct answer. Sixth one. Can we see sixth problem? Sixth problem. Can we start, ma? Can I rub this one? Can I rub this one, ma? Okay, please copy it. Direction का ये direction है, ma. VRM is in this direction. Umbrella को ऐसा पकड़ना चाहिए. Opposite direction to VRM. ऐसा man का direction ऐसा draw कर लिए तो आप man ऐसा चल रहा है. So umbrella को ऐसा पकड़ना चाहिए. He is running in this direction. Rain is falling like this. He should tilt like this. He should tilt umbrella like this and he should go. Umbrella को ऐसा झुका के पकड़ना पड़ेगा vertical से. ठीक है? There is no confusion, ma. Sixth problem also I will see. Please wait. Can I rub this one? Can I rub this one, ma? सभी को समझ में आना चाहिए, please. And rubbing this one. Yes. Sixth one. Sixth one, I'm writing on board. Present. Sixth one. Man traveling at 10.8 kilometers per hour. A man traveling at 10.8 kilometers per hour in topless car. कार को टॉप नहीं है. Topless car on a rainy day. Full stop. He holds. Please write down simultaneously, don't waste time. मैं जैसा लिख रहा हूं वैसा लिख दीजिए आप. क्वेश्चन जो भी मटेरियल नहीं है, those who are not having material, please write down what I'm writing on board. Problem number 6 I'm writing here. Man traveling at 10.8 kilometers per hour. Man traveling at 10.8 kilometers per hour in topless car on a rainy day. Full stop. He holds an umbrella. Umbrella को पकड़ रहा है. He holds the umbrella at an angle 37 degrees. 37 degrees with the vertical. So umbrella को पकड़ना है मतलब relative velocity of rain with respect to man को opposite direction में umbrella को पकड़ रहा है. Summary, have you understood this point? Umbrella is at an angle 37 degrees with the vertical. बोले तो relative velocity of rain with respect to man is at an angle 37 degrees in opposite direction to umbrella. Okay? Is it clear? So direction of appearing velocity of rain with respect to man is given. I will write complete question with the vertical. So that he does not wet, means rain उसके ऊपर नहीं गिर रहा है. topless car means roof is not there for that car. Okay, he does not wet. Full stop. If raindrops falls vertically downwards, what is rain velocity is asking ma. What is rain velocity is asking? What is rain velocity is asking ma? A man traveling at 10.8 kilometers per hour is in a topless car on a rainy day. He holds an umbrella at angle 37 degrees with the vertical so that he does not wet. Full stop. If raindrops falls vertically downwards, what is the rain velocity? See, this is the question. Please copy the question first. All of you, question copy कर लीजिए. Question copy कर लीजिए, please. Those who are not having book. Is it clear? Can I have this one? Can I have this one? Please respond, ma. Can I have? Ma, please copy it fast, ma. 708. Please copy it. Response, please. Please response, ma. Please copy it. All of you have you copied, ma? Question. Those who are not having book, please copy it, ma. Can I have this one? Can I have this one? All of you. I'm shouting. Please respond. Okay, I will draw big diagram. I'm rubbing ma. Given thing are man traveling at 10.8 kilometers per hour. Velocity of man diya gaya. Man is inside car. That too there is no roof. वो कार को टॉपलेस कार है, रूफ नहीं है, पानी गिर रहा है, एंड इज हैविंग छतरी छाता है उसके हाथ में, राइट? दैट अम्ब्रेला इज कैचिंग at an angle 37 degrees with the vertical. At an angle 37 degrees with the vertical. So umbrella को tilt करके catch कर रहा है. बोले तो velocity of rain with respect to man is given. Is it clear? Is it clear? Direction of velocity of rain with respect to man is given with the vertical opposite direction to umbrella. Right? I told clearly. And Rabin, this one. He is asking to calculate raindrops are falling vertically. Okay. What is rain velocity is asking. What is rain velocity is asking. There is no confusion in this problem if you draw perfectly vector diagram. वेक्टर डायग्राम आपको समझ में आ गया तो प्रॉब्लम कुछ भी नहीं है इसमें. वेक्टर डायग्राम यू शुड अंडरस्टैंड मा प्लीज. इसमें जो है वेलोसिटी ऑफ रेन विद रिस्पेक्ट टू मैन इज व्हाट मा? वेलोसिटी ऑफ रेन माइनस वेलोसिटी ऑफ मैन विद रिस्पेक्ट टू ग्राउंड. इज इट क्लियर? गिवन थिंग इज वेलोसिटी ऑफ मैन विद रिस्पेक्ट टू ग्राउंड. कार का मीन विद रिस्पेक्ट टू ग्राउंड बोले तो is 10.8 kilometers per hour. Means velocity of man means I am taking man is inside the car, man is driven the car. Velocity of man ले रहा हूँ, कार का velocity जो है man का velocity same है, because man is inside, sitting inside the car. Man is sitting inside and is driving ना. So velocity of man with respect to ground क्या होता है? 10.8 होता है, right? So umbrella, so angle. So here you should understand this point, very very important point. ये कार ड्रॉ कर दिए तो आपको इजी आ जाएगा. जस्ट अंडरस्टैंड इट एज अ कार. इट इज टॉपलेस, मैन इज सिटिंग इनसाइड स्टीयरिंग. जस्ट अंडरस्टैंड इट. ही इज टिल्टिंग हिज अम्ब्रेला लाइक दिस. अम्ब्रेला जो है ऐसा है, अम्ब्रेला जो है वर्टिकल से एंगल थीटा 37 डिग्री कर रहा है. He is catching his umbrella like this, then only there is no rainfall on him, and man is moving at a speed of 10.8 kilometers per hour. Is it clear? This diagram is clear. After this I will draw vector diagram now. Please copy it. Given things are like this. क्वेश्चन में जो दिया गया वो डायग्राम में ड्रॉ करा मैं. वेक्टर डायग्राम जो है अभी ड्रॉ करता हूं, जब तक ये पॉइंट्स लिख दीजिए आप. प्लीज कॉपी इट. Very big umbrella I have drawn. Yes. Okay. Very good. You are following, ma? Yes, 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 yes. Vertical line is where rainfall. I'm sure. This is the umbrella direction. This is velocity of rain with respect to man. ये इसका velocity है, rain का velocity है. ये man opposite direction में, ये जो है आपको VMG लेना पड़ेगा. ठीक है. जो वेक्टर ट्रायंगल ड्रॉ कर रहा हूं, ये रेन का वेलोसिटी है, एक्चुअली इज फॉलिंग वर्टिकली डाउनवर्ड. ये VRM का वेलोसिटी है एट एन एंगल 37 डिग्रीज, एंड दिस इज गिवन एज वेलोसिटी ऑफ मैन विद स्पीड ग्राउंड. सो माइनस साइन सिग्निफाइज दैट ऑपोजिट डायरेक्शन ले रहा हूं. देखिए, राइट, ही हैज गिवन दिस मैग्नीट्यूड. सॉरी. So construct right angle triangle here. This value I am taking as 10.8. So this value I need to calculate. I am taking as x. So from this right angle triangle OAB, from this right angle triangle OAB, tan theta, tan 37 is equal to 10.8 by x. I can write this one. Yes. So tan 37 का value आपको याद आना चाहिए 3/4, 10.8 by x. जिसको याद नहीं है, जिनको याद नहीं है, जो है आपको मालूम होना चाहिए tan 37 को वैल्यू 3/5, सॉरी 3/4. तो x वैल्यू आपको फाइंड कर रहा हूं इधर. दैट इंप्लाइज x इक्वल टू 10.8 इंटू 4/3. क्या आ जाएगा आपको? 3 3 3.6. सो x इक्वल टू 24, 12, 14.4 किलोमीटर पर आवर. ये वेलोसिटी ऑफ रेन विद स्पीड ग्राउंड है. वेलोसिटी ऑफ रेन विद स्पीड ग्राउंड. तो इसमें आंसर जो है मीटर्स पर सेकंड में दिया गया आपको. आंसर जो आया किलोमीटर पर आवर आया. सो प्लीज कन्वर्ट वेलोसिटी ऑफ रेन विद स्पीड ग्राउंड. वी गॉट इट एज 14.4 किलोमीटर पर आवर. कन्वर्ट इनटू मीटर्स पर सेकंड. 5/18 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दिए तो आपको नहीं 18/5 से. देखिए, हाँ राइट, 5/18. प्लीज डू इट. 6 3 6, 6 2s 0.4. सो 0.8 इंटू 4, तो 4 मीटर पर सेकेंड इज आंसर. आंसर है इसमें बुक में. वेलोसिटी ऑफ रेन विथ स्पीड ग्राउंड. आंसर कितना है? 4 मीटर पर सेकंड है. देखिए, यस मा, ड्रॉ कंप्लीट डायग्राम. ये डायग्राम ड्रॉ कर रही है. ब्यूटीफुल कार. ये बेंच कार है. बेंच कार ले लीजिए, नहीं तो एम्बेसडर ले लीजिए, जो भी ले लीजिए, मगर ड्रॉ करिए. ये अम्ब्रेला जो है इस तरफ है, राइट. अम्ब्रेला को ऑपोजिट डायरेक्शन में VRM रहता. कभी भी अम्ब्रेला किस डायरेक्शन में पकड़ रहे हैं? ऑपोजिट डायरेक्शन में VRM रहता. बोल के बोला मैं, VRM will be opposite direction to umbrella. With what direction you are catching the umbrella? ये हो गया VRM, ये हो गया VR, ये हो गया VM in opposite direction. ठीक है. वेक्टर डायग्राम ड्रॉ करा, x वैल्यू फाइंड करा, किलोमीटर पर में आवर में आया 14.4 और मीटर पर सेकंड में 4 मीटर पर सेकंड. आंसर इज देयर मा, 4 मीटर पर सेकंड. You understood now, all of you? Yes, same formula we should use. 0049. Anything confusion, ma? Aramgad. 0049. Please copy it, ma. If you're having doubt, I will explain once again this problem. Just एक बार लिख लीजिए problem जो है. 4 meter per second is correct, ma. Very good. I think 4 meter per second is option is there. Yes. Fourth option should be the answer, ma. Sixth one, fourth option is correct. Yes. I think concept is clear, all of you. और एक बार एक्सप्लेन करूंगा मैं, एक बार कॉपी कर लीजिए. ये एम्बेसडर का ड्रॉ करते ड्रॉ करिए, नहीं तो मर्सिडीज बेंज, मैं तो फरारी, जो भी एज्यूम कर लिख सकते हैं आप. ठीक है. वेक्टर डायग्राम को समझना. अम्ब्रेला किस डायरेक्शन में कैच कर रहे हैं? ऑपोजिट डायरेक्शन में वीआरएम रहता कभी भी. What is it? It is a vehicle name. What is it, ma? Lambo. What is it? I could not understand. It's vehicle name. Not 73. It's vehicle name. Okay, you can draw. The other diagram means car diagram. In order to understand you, I have explained, ma. कार डायग्राम ड्रॉ करने का जरूरत नहीं, आपको समझ में आना बोल के एक्सप्लेन किया मैं. Okay, please copy it. I hope it's clear, all of you. प्रॉब्लम को समझना, समझ के वेक्टर डायग्राम ड्रॉ करे तो 99% सॉल्व हो जाता प्रॉब्लम. Tan theta from this right angle triangle, ma. From this right angle triangle, I have taken tan theta. Tan theta from this right angle triangle OAB, I have written here. From this triangle, I have taken OAB. Tan theta opposite by adjacent 10.8 by x. X value जो आया, tan theta दिया गया उसमें. This angle is 37 degrees. उसमें he has given. So tan 37 value आपको याद आना चाहिए. Tan 37 is standard value 3/4. Like tan 30 1/√3. Tan 60 √3. सब वैल्यू स्टैंडर्ड वैल्यू से वैसा स्टैंडर्ड वैल्यू है tan 37. Sin 37 3/5. Cos 37 4/5. Like that you should remember. Yes, 10.8 by x I have taken. Yes. Can I rub now? Can I rub the diagram? Why? Because tan theta, the triangle, opposite by adjacent, na? Opposite by adjacent, na? What happened, ma? 00065. VMR, I wrote VRM. Tan 53 value you want 4/5. Tan 53 you want 4/5, you can take. Okay, it's clear. 677 is clear, ma. 708 is it clear? 00065 sir. VRM जो है velocity of rain with respect to man होता है. देखिए, velocity of rain with respect to man will be opposite direction to umbrella. Umbrella जो direction में पकड़ रहे हैं, VRM will be opposite direction to umbrella. Is it clear? Is it clear? VRM का डायरेक्शन जो है अम्ब्रेला के ऑपोजिट डायरेक्शन में रहता. I will explain once again. Listen ma. मैन बैठा हुआ है कार में और टॉपलेस कार है, इसको शेड नहीं है, क्या बोलते हैं, रूफ नहीं है. ये रूफ रहने से क्या हो, नहीं रहने से क्या हो गया, अम्ब्रेला को पकड़ रहा है, पानी गिर रहा है. बिकॉज ऑफ मूवमेंट ऑफ द कार he is tilting the umbrella like this. This is umbrella direction. umbrella direction. umbrella के डायरेक्शन में ऑपोजिट में VRM में रहता. देखिए आप, VRM will be always in opposite direction to direction of umbrella. Is it clear now? ये समझ में आ गया ना आपको, सभी को समझ में आ गया ना. ये कार जो है मूव कर रहा है, मैन इज मूविंग, एक्चुअली मैन इज सिटिंग इन द कार, मैन इज मूविंग. VRM is opposite direction to the direction of tilting the umbrella. umbrella के डायरेक्शन में ऑपोजिट डायरेक्शन में VRM रहता. VRM आ गया, VR is vertically downward, VM in this direction, minus VM I have taken ma, because VM is in this direction, minus VM will be in this direction. Only see to see the vector diagram. I am drawing the I have drawn the vector diagram clearly here. Okay, VRM ये डायरेक्शन में है, VRG ये डायरेक्शन में है, VM minus VM is in this direction. So VRG आ गया, tan 37 opposite by adjacent, 10.8 by x. So tan 37 equal to 3 by 4, 3 by 4 equal to 10.8 by x. X value जो आया 14.4 kilometers per hour. So answer is in meter per second. I multiplied with 5 by 18. You got 4 meters per second is answer ma. Now it's clear. I have explained again. I have explained complete problem again. There is no difficulty. Please take some time to understand. प्रॉब्लम को समझने के वास्ते टाइम ले लीजिए आप, वेक्टर डायग्राम को समझने के वास्ते टाइम ले लीजिए आप, मगर परफेक्ट समझने आना चाहिए. डाइजेस्ट द डायग्राम, डाइजेस्ट द प्रॉब्लम व्हाट आई हैव डन हियर, अंडरस्टैंड इट. घुमा फिरा के यही प्रॉब्लम दूसरे तरीके से दिए तो आपको करना पड़ेगा. इज इट क्लियर? अंडरस्टैंड द कॉन्सेप्ट? यस. Seven I didn't got. Where I got 7? I didn't got 7 ma. Where I have taken 7? Anywhere I have taken 7 here? No. 37. It is 37 angle. Tan 37 angle. 7 किधर भी नहीं लिया, देखिए. Who has said that one? It's clear? Rub कर दूं क्या मैं? Can I rub this one? Can I rub this one? Okay. It's not 7 ma, it's x. It's x. It is x here. X. This is x, not 7. X, x. तो आप फॉलो नहीं कर रहे हैं, आप जो 7 लिखी है वो फॉलो नहीं कर रहे हैं. x लिखा में डायग्राम में, डायग्राम में x लिखा, tan थीटा ऑपोजिट बाय एडजेसेंट, ये x है, 7 नहीं होता. Is it clear? Can I rub this one now? Can I rub this one? I have given more time ma. Next, write down circular motion. Circular motion का concept है आज. Circular motion will do problems. First to understand the concept, after that problems. Write down circular motion. Please understand the concept here. Circular motion. I will continue this concept tomorrow also. Circular motion. Circular motion, continuation of motion plane only. Under motion, in a plane only. We have circular motion concept ma. This is subtopic of motion and plane only. Circular motion subtopic new topic नहीं होता. Circular motion is subtopic of motion and plane only. Okay, please write down circular motion here. Basically you have learned rectilinear motion बोले तो straight line motion है. Straight line motion को rectilinear motion बोलते हैं. Straight line motion when a body is light travels in straight line when there is no change in medium. Light जो है velocity of light आपको सभी को मालूम है. What is velocity of light? Can anybody say? Please start with me. What is velocity of light in vacuum, in air? Who will say, ma? Please tell me. What is velocity of light in air or vacuum? What is the value? C volume. What is the value of C? 3 into 10 to the power of 8 meters per second. Very good, ma. Who said? Very good. So velocity of light जो है 3 into 10 to the power of 8 meters per second सही है. Velocity of light, why I am asking here, we'll study there also. Light ray will travel very fast with this velocity. If there is no change in medium, light ray straight travel करता, किधर भी bend नहीं होता. मगर एक spoon dip कर दिए water में, transparent glass of water I have taken. I have dipped a spoon such that some part is outside, some part is inside. When I am seeing inside part is appearing to be bending because there is change in medium. Air medium से water medium को जा रहा है light rays. So light ray will bend when there is change in medium. So what I mean to say here, circular motion I have started. We have motion straight means straight line, rectilinear motion one direction. एक direction में जा रहे हैं, right? One direction, you are not changing the direction at all. Straight motion जा रहे हैं, 1D motion जा रहे हैं, x direction जा रहे हैं. Rectilinear propagation बोलते हैं. Rectilinear propagation बोले तो one direction, straight one direction. वैसे आपको periodic motion देखिए आज है, watch है. Second hand watch जो है circular motion में जा रहा है देखिए. Circular motion, exactly that pinpoint nib is moving exactly in circular path. Second hand in a clock, right? That nib of that second needle which is there, it is making circular motion. Circular motion about this point means that point nib is at equidistant from center. Circular motion, right? Like that. Pendulum clock आप देखें. Pendulum clock, pendulum एक जगह, right? एक rope कने pendulum tie किया हमें, right? Pendulum is tied. It is oscillating like this. Pendulum is oscillating like this. See, pendulum एक rope से suspend किया, pendulum को ऐसा उठा के छोड़ दिया. So pendulum will oscillate. Pendulum will oscillate. Pendulum is oscillating. Periodic motion बोलते हैं इसको. Periodic, why? Because it is repeating its position again and again for small oscillations. Periodic motion बोलते हैं. So why I am telling this motion? You should understand how many different types of motions are there. Rectilinear motion, circular motion, periodic motion, SHM बोलते हैं. Periodic motion बोले तो simple harmonic motion बोलते हैं. Basically ये circular motion जो है, two types of circular motion रहते हैं. One is horizontal, one is uniform circular motion, and second one is non-uniform circular motion, right? Uniform circular motion के example best है क्या है बोले तो horizontal circular motion. ये नॉन यूनिफॉर्म सर्कुलर मोशन के एग्जांपल बोले तो वर्टिकल सर्कुलर मोशन. बोलता हूं क्या है, पहले लिख दीजिए प्लीज. Write down subheading as circular motion. Under this we study two types of circular motion. One is uniform circular motion and non-uniform circular motion. Please write down. Under uniform circular motion we'll study horizontal circular motion. In this chapter we'll study this uniform only now. Non-uniform after discussing work, power, energy chapter. वो चैप्टर में आपको पढ़ाया जाता है नॉन यूनिफॉर्म सर्कुलर मोशन. मैं देता हूं एग्जांपल क्या है देता हूं, पहले लिख दीजिए प्लीज. राइट डाउन. I will explain once again. Just write down. Just write down under circular motion what I wrote on the board. Please write down, ma. What I wrote on the board. Please write down. Circular motion are of two types. Circular motions are of two types. Basically, circular motions are of two types. What are those? What are those? Uniform circular motion and non-uniform circular motion. Uniform circular motion and non-uniform circular motion. Uniform circular motion and non-uniform circular motion. Under uniform circular motion, write down horizontal circular motion. And under non-uniform, vertical circular motion. WPE में ओके, WPE फुल फॉर्म बोले तो वर्क, पावर, एनर्जी. वर्क, पावर एंड एनर्जी वो चैप्टर में आपको बताया जाता है नॉन यूनिफॉर्म सर्कुलर मोशन. सिंपल एग्जांपल दे रहा हूं, देखिए. देखिए यूनिफॉर्म सर्कुलर मोशन बोले तो सुनिए सभी. एक पेंडुलम ले रहा हूं. एक पेंडुलम एक थ्रेड से ज्वाइन किया, मैं तय कर दिया पेंडुलम लास्ट हुक को एक थ्रेड से बांध दिया. दैट पेंडुलम आई एम रोटेटिंग लाइक दिस मा, और पूरा पेंडुलम को हॉरिजॉन्टली रोटेट कर रहा हूं. ऐसा हॉरिजॉन्टली रोटेट कर रहा हूं, देखिए. और ऐसा ऐसा नहीं तो ऐसा, नॉट वर्टिकल. अंडरस्टैंड इट. हॉरिजॉन्टली आई एम रोटेटिंग और पूरा रोटेट कर रहा हूं. ऐसा हॉरिजॉन्टली घुमा रहा हूं. राइट. हॉरिजॉन्टली आई एम रोटेटिंग, दैट इज यूनिफॉर्म सर्कुलर मोशन और हॉरिजॉन्टल सर्कुलर मोशन. अब ये स्टोन जो है सेम बॉब को ऐसा वर्टिकल रोटेट कर रहा हूं. वर्टिकल रोटेट कर रहा हूं बोले तो नॉन यूनिफॉर्म सर्कुलर मोशन. सो वही डिफरेंस है. देखिए सेम एग्जांपल आई एम टेकिंग ए स्टोन टाइड विद ए थ्रेड. इट इज रोटेटेड इन दिस वे. In this way, it is uniform circular motion. I am telling the difference. Practically, you can experience. I am telling the difference here. Difference between uniform, non-uniform. You should understand basically what is uniform, what is non-uniform. देखिए ये स्टोन को मैं तय कर दिया, ऐसा रोटेट कर रहा हूँ, घुमा रहा हूँ. ऐसा हॉरिजॉन्टली पूरा घुमा रहा हूँ ऐसा. ठीक है, वो हॉरिजॉन्टल सर्कुलर मोशन. और ऐसा भी घुमा सकते हैं हॉरिजॉन्टल सर्कुलर मोशन. वर्टिकल सर्कुलर मोशन बोले तो वर्टिकल ऐसा घुमाने में, ऐसा घुमाने में, ऐसा घुमाने में बहुत डिफरेंस है. देखिए सेम बॉडी आई एम रोटेटिंग इन डिफरेंट वेज. फर्स्ट टू केसेस आर यूनिफॉर्म, and last case is non-uniform. Is it clear now? Is it clear? What is a pendulum? देखिए ये कैप, पेन का कैप है, ये एक थ्रेड से बांध लिए, ये पेंडुलम हो जाता है. एक्चुअली पेंडुलम इज ए बॉब, स्पीयर, आयरन स्पीयर, स्मॉल. आपको लैबोरेटरीज में रहता है, आपको लैब में आपको पेंडुलम्स रहते हैं. टाइम पीरियड ऑफ पेंडुलम करने का लैब है आपको सेकंड ईयर में, राइट. उसमें बताया जाता है आपको पेंडुलम क्या है पूरा. मगर पेंडुलम बोले तो एक स्फेरिकल आयरन बॉल है, छोटा छोटा सा आयरन बॉल है. व्हेन इट इज टाइड विद अ थ्रेड and it is made to oscillate, right? It is oscillating. It may rotate. You can rotate in this way or in this way horizontally. घुमा रहे हैं आप. When you're tied with the bob, you're tying with the thread and you're rotating, making it to rotate horizontally or vertically. Vertically बोले तो non-uniform हो गया. What is the difference between non-uniform and uniform? I will explain. No need to worry. Okay. यूनिफॉर्म बोले तो अब देखिए मैं जो एग्जांपल दे रहा हूं यूनिफॉर्म सर्कुलर मोशन का, वो एग्जांपल आप लिख दीजिए. जस्ट राइट ऑन दिस वन. सर्कुलर मोशन आर ऑफ टू टाइप्स. Yes, uniform is horizontal. How? I will explain what is horizontal first of all. First to copy it, I will discuss this case only now in this chapter. सर्कुलर मोशन में ये सब पार्ट में आपको यूनिफॉर्म सर्कुलर मोशन ही डिस्कस करना चाहिए. नॉन यूनिफॉर्म बाकी का एनर्जी का कॉन्सेप्ट है, वो समझने के बाद वो चैप्टर में आ जाएगा आपको. वो चैप्टर ये सब पार्ट जो है नॉन यूनिफॉर्म सर्कुलर मोशन तभी समझ में आ जाएगा आपको एनर्जी का कॉन्सेप्ट समझ में आने के बाद. इसलिए वो कॉन्सेप्ट जो है वो चैप्टर में है. कैन यू रिपीट? एक बॉब इट इज रोटेटेड हॉरिजॉन्टली लाइक दिस. हॉरिजॉन्टली रोटेट कर रहा हूं और रोटेटेड हॉरिजॉन्टली, टोटली टोटल सर्कल. ये हॉरिजॉन्टल सर्कल है, ये भी हॉरिजॉन्टल मोशन है. दिस टू आर हॉरिजॉन्टल सर्कुलर मोशन एग्जांपल. फर्स्ट डायग्राम, सेकंड डायग्राम. सो जो है हॉरिजॉन्टल सर्कुलर मोशन एग्जांपल है. वर्टिकल सर्कल का सर्कुलर मोशन का एग्जांपल कैसा बोले तो ऐसा. It is rotated vertically. This is vertical circular motion. That is non-uniform. These two are uniform. Why it is uniform and all I will explain tomorrow. Slowly understand each and every part. We have in uniform circular motion, we have banking of roads concept. But in that we have some expression that is angular terms, angular momentum. One student has asked to explain angular momentum also. I will explain angular motion, angular terms called as angular velocity. We have angular terms as angular acceleration. I will explain this part tomorrow. Angular momentum also I will explain tomorrow. No need to worry. Just draw this diagram. I will close now. Explain today only. Okay. Actually, there is no time now. That's fine. Fine. Angular momentum. Angular momentum. Angular momentum जो है कुछ भी नहीं, L vector is equal to R vector क्रॉस P वेक्टर. एंगुलर मोमेंटम आपको क्रॉस प्रोडक्ट हो गया ना, वेक्टर्स में क्रॉस प्रोडक्ट हो गया था. क्रॉस प्रोडक्ट ऑफ टू वेक्टर्स रिजल्ट्स ए वेक्टर ओनली ना. So cross product of displacement vector or radius vector with linear momentum vector gives angular momentum. So L vector is equal to R vector cross M into V vector. क्योंकि P vector is M into V vector है, देखिए तो angular momentum is M into R cross V. This is the formula for angular momentum. That's why I've stopped here. I'm stopping here, please. I will explain tomorrow different types of uniform circular motion and all. Okay. Now we'll stop here, please. I hope you have understood, all of you. All of you have understood all the concepts, Rainman concept. What is M? Where I wrote M? M is mass of the body. Okay. I will stop here now. Thank you.